Morning guys, it's James from Advanced. We are sat in a 2018 68 plate Mercedes Vito. This has got the Alpine X802D. It's a specific V447 kit that's designed to work with this particular vehicle. We've done a few other bits and pieces which I'll run through in a second. So let me just power up. Okay, so Tim has put a custom splash screen on here to use a combination of the Mercedes-Benz and the Alpine logos, just because the stock one is not as refined as this one, and it makes it look a little bit nicer. Okay, so because this is the V447 chassis, we have got a lot of kit going on behind the scenes which integrate with the multi-function steering wheel, the climate control and other vehicle settings. We've got the navigation built in, we've got Android Auto, we've got CarPlay. So we've got the usual DAB streaming, all the Bluetooth stuff, sorry, not DAB streaming, Bluetooth streaming and DAB, and usual bits and pieces that you see on these models. Now, most of the ones that we've done in the Alpine series, we've done on the 9-inch series, and this is the 8. But I quite like it because it fits in the dashboard in this vehicle and looks really nice, even using the factory camera as well. So if I just put the, let's start the engine. Okay, so this has got the factory reversing camera fitted. The guidelines have been disabled, but on the 8-inch display the camera looks really good. So we are a little bit up against the wall at the moment, but when you reverse out, you can see the clarity on the screen is really good. And sometimes on the 9-inch displays the picture quality is good, but because of the 9-inch display it distorts it ever so slightly, whereas this is quite a nice picture. So let's put it into park. That will then time out in a second. Now, going through the vehicle settings and how it integrates with the vehicle is a great little bit of kit. So you can go in and you can change little bits and pieces on the vehicle. So if we go into vehicle info, you've got your car setting, your parking sensor and your climate. So we can adjust with the climate control. You've got to have climate control for this to work with the CAN interface that's behind the scenes. So we can adjust the temperature, and every time we adjust the temperature like so, you can adjust the we've got Bluetooth phone just connecting, just one second. So you can adjust the fan like so, and on the driver's door and on the passenger door you've also got your heated seats. So as you can see here, I've just pressed the heated seat on, so without taking your eyes off the road, well, to a certain extent because you're looking at the screen, you can adjust your heated seats on there as well, which is quite cool because that's really full integration as far as an aftermarket bit of kit allows you to go. So parking sensors, because this is a Mercedes, they don't really have optical parking sensors, they have segment displays. So in the rear roof lining and on the front dashboard, you probably won't be able to see this because the camera's, I expect, quite zoomed in, but on the front dash you've got the segment display. So it does integrate with the reversing camera quite well, but with the parking sensors you can then connect in through, and you've got your segment display front and rear, so you won't get much up on here. Okay, so let's wait for that to go and go into car setting. Now car setting, some basic trip facility. So you've got your fuel level, date and time and settings. So let's just go into settings. This enables you, we've done this video before but I'll just go over it again. It enables you to, when you unlock the vehicle, the unit will be powered up for a certain level of time, and when you take the key out the vehicle you can also have a feature that it will stay on for a certain amount of time as well. I personally don't like it and I switch it off myself. So this is just firmware information for the vehicle. It's got the latest model on there for the X802, and don't forget the new model of the 803 will be due out soon with a newer, faster processor and a few other things, but I think aesthetically, cosmetically it looks the same. Okay, so quick run through. FM radio, DAB radio, let's just turn that down, tuned into some classical music at the moment, and then you go back to your main menu, you've got Bluetooth and you've got Bluetooth music streaming. If you hit the dedicated nav button here, takes you straight into navigation, shows you where we are with a GPS antenna. Incidentally, on this installation we've also fitted a roof mounted shark fin that talks to the FM, the DAB and the GPS to give you optimum performance. We've also, I don't know if you're going to be able to see through the camera, we've also fitted a set of Alpine R component speakers. We've integrated the tweeters on the dashboard. They look as factory fitted as you possibly could and they look awesome. In the driver and passenger door we've used spacer ring adapters and sound deadened the whole area and put the R components in. And in the back we've put R coaxials. So the Type R is Alpine's best speaker or better speaker upgrade without amplification. Sounds amazing and really adds a bit of clarity and warmth and a bit of punch when you're listening to your music, whatever genres you're into. Okay, so factory nav. Quick go into the CarPlay. Because it's a V447, there's no extra fly leads. You've got perfect retention for anything that's fitted in here already, from the camera to DAB, and also then you've got the USB and the aux. So we'll plug the USB in. I'll just unlock my phone, plug my phone in like so, allow, and then going to go straight into the new iOS 13. And those of you who haven't seen it yet, this is the new CarPlay Dashboard, or the skin, and it has changed considerably on how you can integrate, and it's just as seamless as it was before, but it's a little bit more modern with the blocky feel. So you can go through, you've got your Google Maps, and you've also got, then depending on what you've got your Waze, your WhatsApp, your Spotify and Apple Music, depending on what you are into. And of course you can also change this from left hand drive to right hand drive to make it a bit more custom for you as the driver. Okay, so this is the Alpine X802D, and this is fully integrated for the V447 platform, for the climate control, for the heated seats, for the reversing camera, for the multifunction steering wheel, and we've added some extra bells and whistles just to make it even more special. So if you've got a vehicle like this, get in touch. We've already done a video of the 9-inch version, and this is the 8-inch. If you want anything like this in your vehicle, please get in touch with us, and the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. and as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.